Hey everyone, welcome to yet another new video from YouTube with Saave. In today's video, we'll learn how to get or find free sound effects for your YouTube videos. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description, right? So we have seen free music, background music, which you can put in your YouTube videos to avoid copyright detection. Similar, how do you find free sound effects which you can use in your YouTube videos to avoid copyright? The simplest and the most easiest one, as recommended earlier, is the YouTube audio library. Once you go in your YouTube studio and click on audio library, besides the music tab, you can see sound effects. Right now, these sound effects are all free. There will be no copyright on this, and there are about 637 sound effects, and this library keeps on updating. So this is not limited. This keeps refreshing. YouTube keeps on adding new sound effects, so you can search basis different maybe titles, or you can see the categories which are there. Basis categories you can filter out, or you can even look for duration, right? So this is the first and the most recommended way to search for sound effects, for which you won't find any copyright detection. Now, apart from this, there are many sites which are highly recommended. Some are free, wherein you can download sound effects for free, and some which require subscription. Right. The first one will be Envato. Right now, over here you can see there are a lot of sound effects. The name of this would be Mixkit from Envato, and there are a lot of sound effects. But if you go to download them, you will have to subscribe uh, and then proceed, right? So you can check the Mixkit. Envato has a great collection of sound effects, so you can go for it. And if you want unlimited downloads and want to access stuff, you will have to buy the subscription. Highly recommended one is also the Pixabay. Over here, you don't require any subscription. You can just go through and download directly. So if I just click on this random, I haven't logged in on this site, so you can see it has downloaded. So Pixabay is another one, though it is highly recommended for videos, b-rolls, and images. You can also download sound effects. The next one is from Epidemic, which is Bits. So over here also you can download in MP3 format. There are some limitations. You will have to buy subscriptions if you want to download in uncompressed format, but you can download if you want in free version as well. So these and there is another one called from Epidemic only, Zapsplat. So both are from Epidemic Sound, but the range and collection is different. So over here in Zapsplat, you have around 250,000 unique sound effects and variations. You can create a free account, and again there are certain limitations on what you can download in a free account and what you can download basis, right? So these are my top recommended sites. I am again listing them in the video description. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave for more such content.